आज लोअर क्लास 1 to 5 असेंबली आज यिनीहरूको प्राइज डिस्ट्रिब्युसन छ फ्राइडे एक्टिभिटी को।
Okay, now going to distribute the prize of remaining Friday activity. Principals are please come on the stage and help us to distribute the prize among the students. All of you, big clap for him. Group name. From class 3 red, first prize goes to Nishant Airi. First prize goes to Nishant Airi from class 3 red. Please, big clap for him, all of you. What is clapping? Second prize goes to Surendra Vista. Third prize goes to Ritesh Sunal and consolation prize goes to Kavya Vista. This prize is, again I am going to announce the name from class 3 blue. When you take the prize, please give some respect by putting down your heads, everyone who has come here to take prize. Now, first prize goes to Diksha Bhatta. Diksha Bhatta from class 3 blue. Second prize goes to Nat Tamrakar. Third prize goes to Rosni Sai and consolation prize goes to Manoj Deuba. This prize belongs to drawing competition which was held in last Friday. Again, I am going to announce the name from class 2 Rara. First prize goes to Isika Deuba. Isika Deuba. Second prize goes to Chris Pista. Second prize goes to Chris Pista. Third prize goes to Srinika Pandey and Sanidhya Pokhrel. Third prize goes to Srinika Pandey and Sanidhya Pokhrel from class 2 Rada. Please come quickly. And consolation prize goes to Janice Bhatta. Consolation prize goes to Janice Bhatta from class 2. Janisa Bhatta. Again from class 2 Feva, first prize goes to Aryan Sarki. First prize goes to Aryan Sarki from class 2 Feva. Please come on the stage quickly. Don't delay. We have not much more time. Second prize goes to Niraj Sunal. Third prize goes to Tilak Chaudhary and consolation prize goes to Nikos Nirola. All are absent today? Teachers, please pay attention to send your students here. Tilak Chaudhary, third prize. Nikos Nirola, consolation prize. Is he absent today? Okay, from class 1, first prize goes to Kasam Dhami. First prize goes to Kasam Dhami from class 1. Second prize goes to Aman Dhanu. Second prize goes to Aman Dhanu. Third prize goes to Arpana Oja from class 1 Lotus. And consolation prize goes to Regina Vista. Consolation prize goes to Regina Vista. Where is clapping? Clapping everyone loudly with a full energy. Again, from class 1 race, first prize goes to Diksha Joshi. Diksha Joshi, first prize. Second prize goes to Deepika Kuwar. Third prize goes to Rituka Kuwar and consolation prize goes to Pallavi Thapa. From class UKG Moon, first prize goes to Amogya Kumar. First prize goes to Amog Kumar and Sonia Bandari. Amog Kumar and Sonia Bandari from class UKG Moon. Two students first. And second prize goes to Kusal Malla. Second prize goes to Kusal Malla. Third prize goes to Himanshu Kharka and consolation prize goes to Eunice Thapa. Please come on the line. Again from class UKG Son. First prize goes to Ayan Thapa. First prize goes to Ayan Thapa from UKG Son. Second prize goes to Aryan Raisi. Third prize goes to Ritik Bhatta and Arosi Bhul. Third prize goes to Ritik Bhatta and Arosi Bhul. And consolation prize goes to Paticha Okhera. Consolation prize goes to Paticha Okhera. From class LKG ball collection. Priyansu Khorka. First prize goes to Priyansu Khorka from class LKG. Second prize goes to
प्रियांशु रोकाया है ना खड़का
Is he absent today, Priyans? Okay, no absent. Second prize goes to Subham Thapa. Third prize goes to Prince Abist and Susan Bhatt. Third prize goes to Prince Abist and Susan Bhatt. And consolation prize goes to Sunika Bike. Consolation prize goes to Sunika Bike. Again from class LKG, first prize goes to Nitin Bike. First prize goes to Nitin Bike. Second prize goes to Vikas Iyer. Third prize goes to Devi Bohra. And consolation prize goes to Apeksha Bokati and Kusal Iyer. Consolation prize goes to Apeksha Bokati and Kusal Iyer. Where is clapping? Clapping everyone, clapping loudly. Distribute the prize of essay competition from class 3 red. Now I am going to announce their name. First prize goes to Deepika Rokaya from class 3 red. First prize on essay competition. And Puspa Dhami also, first prize. First prize goes to Deepika Rokaya and Puspa Dhami. Please come quickly and take your prize. Second prize goes to Kavya Bista. Class 3 red, from class 3 red. Third prize goes to Nishant Iyer. And consolation prize goes to Samrat Bhatta. Where is clapping? Again, from class 3 blue, first prize goes to Amrit Thakunna. First prize goes to Amrit Thakunna. Second prize goes to Prince Bohra. And third prize goes to Givina Thapa. And consolation prize goes to Parmeshwari Naik. Third prize, Givina Thapa, and consolation prize goes to Parmeshwari Naik. From class 3 blue. From class 2 Seva, first prize goes to Anu Chaudhary. Anu Chaudhary. Again first prize goes to Naveen Dhame from class 2 Seva. Second prize goes to Niraj Sunar and Sangeeta Khanal. Niraj Sunar and Sangeet Khanal. Third prize goes to Abhishek Sarara and Ivan Chaudhary. Third prize goes to Abhishek Sarara. And consolation prize goes to Ivan Chaudhary. Consolation prize goes to Ivan Chaudhary.